Hi, I'm Mike Gubby from iSeek Blinds. In this video we're going to be installing the top back double bracket, and we're going to be doing that in an outside mount position. So to begin with, I would love you to watch the videos I did about the single roller blinds, because there I talk about what the components are, I talk about the stop balls, and I talk about the child safety device, which is very important. So if you could just watch those videos first. In this video here, I actually just want to point out some subtle differences between a single roller blind and a double roller blind, and in particular we're going to talk about this top back double bracket. So to begin with, I've got my brackets fitted, put that down, I've got my brackets fitted flush with the outside edges of the architrave, because that's exactly how I've measured for the roller blind. Now, with the top back double bracket, we use a double chain drive that's got this little guide, and it's really important that you get the chain drives fitted in the right position. So Sally, I'm just going to fit these chain drives in position here, and can I just get you to zoom in and we'll show exactly what the position is. There's the first one, and you can see this is the front blind, which is the lower blind, and that chain drive is able to hang in the straight up and down direction. Now, with this chain drive here, it actually gets fitted on a slight angle facing toward the back. So this chain needs to come out of the back of the chain drive and come down. So if I just get out of the way, Sally, you can see that. All right, if you want to zoom back again, that's the important difference that I talked about with the top back double bracket. Now, I'm actually going to install these two blinds, and we're going to see exactly what they look like. And how they get installed. The first thing I'm going to do is fit my gloves so I don't get them messy. Now, to begin with, we're going to install our rear blind, which is the top blind. And the fabric that I've got on this blind, this is the Mantra Seed Pearl in the light filtering, and you can see it's also got the silent bottom bar fitted, which I love. Now, remember I said that this blind here, it's going to be fitted, because it's the top blind, it's going to be fitted with the chain coming out on an angle like that. Sal, can you see that? Yep, that's exactly what I'm doing here. So that one gets fitted first, it sits across on an angle, and then the pin end just guides in from the front. So my chain is now heading toward the back. I've got control of the blind. I've got my silent bottom bar, so it doesn't matter if the wind's blowing and the blind's knocking, it's not going to keep you up in the middle of the night. That's my first blind done. That can be the sunscreen blind or the light filtering style of blind. Now the front blind is my Blockout roller blind, and this one here is where we're going to keep our chain drive in the straight up and down direction. Again, this is the seed pearl, the matching seed pearl fabric. So this one here, chain drive in the straight up and down direction, which is what I've done. The pin end just gets pushed in from underneath. You can see the little ramp that it goes up to connect in. And now I've got control of both the blinds. I've got my rear blind going down, and now I've also got my Blockout blind being able to go up and down. And you can see this is the top back double bracket. And the thing I like about this bracket is that my fabric is now in an awesome position. I've got both layers of fabric really close to the architrave, so I'm sort of maximising my privacy and my heat loss. So one of the reasons we use this top back double bracket. So I'm all done. Watch the other videos about the stop balls and the child safe devices, which is very important, and I thank you for watching. Thanks.